matin. Wachaka ni goche manyien ni jopiny onego jonjore ariyo ka obila achiel mar okwach kich to yudo hinyruok e wiye kendo chwale od thieth bang' rakruok bedo e kind jonjorego kod obila e boma ma Yala otieno ma piny orugodo kawuono. Kaka Steve Biko leronwa, OCPD magem Yala Charles Wafula oyango rochruok mar arita e gwengego kama wacho ni koro jo maundu mayo jopiny ong'we yamo kod pikipiki.
Otieno ma piny rugo tich adek, rakruok nobedo kind obila mar okwach kich mane nitiere apedha kod jonjore ariyo manoriko nitiere apiko. Bang' weyo obilano kod hinyruok e wiye, jonjorego notomo ng'wech, to kata kamano jopiny norakore kodgi kendo tieko ngimagi kanyo kanyo.
Around Mosque area, one of our officer who is attached to DCI managed to find two young youths who are armed with a clobber, a metal bar, which is here. And on the process, he challenged them to find out what they were doing, but instead they opted to attack the officer. And as a result of that, the officer was critically injured on the head, but he managed to struggle with them and really managed to snatch this item from them, and he used the same equipment to defend himself. So the two suspects managed to run away, but lucky enough, members of public who were around also, during the process, they cornered the suspects within the estates, and you realized it was night hours. So before the police arrived, the members of public had managed to fatally subject the two suspects to mob injustice.
Kindeno, obilano noyudo chuma mabith kod apiko michich ni jonjorego osebedo katiyogo e kuo mar ng'we yamo kod apiko e alwora magem Yala.
Officers rushed the scene and managed to recover one motorbike made with registration number KMGB 123T Boxer BM 150 red in color, which is here.
Ringre jonjore ariyogo osechwale kar kano ringre ma Yala Sub-County Hospital ka obila manoyudo hinyruok to dhi nyime gi yudo thieth.
Currently, the bodies were taken to Yala Level 4 Hospital, and I just want to confirm that the bodies currently, we have not received any member of public or relative who has come to confirm the identity of the two individuals. And also, our officer who was injured was rushed to one of the facility here, a private facility called Olympus.
E kindeno, Wafula noywago medruok mar kuo kod timbe maundu e alwora ma Yala kowacho ni giseketho kenge mar rido arita e gwengego.
It has been rampant for these individuals because they have been coming around, especially targeting students from Modera Okango, who normally, once they are moving around in the evening, they have been their target. So yesterday, it was not lucky on their side.
Steve Biko, Ramogi TV, Siaya.